Hello, Spencer here. Apparently you've all chosen me to take on the A4 Silver Link in a great race. Well, I don't blame you. When you choose me, you choose speed, elegance, quality. And that's exactly what you'll get. Cry God for Silver Link. He won't show his face again here for quite some time after today.
Ooh, so a very, very confident introduction there from Spencer, and after that I really do hope for his sake that he's able to pull off a win, otherwise he's going to look a little bit silly, and that's an understatement. So today we're going to do another epic battle between two steam locomotives, Spencer and of course Silver Link. It's going to be 3 rounds as always, the first being a good old-fashioned race, the second round is a pulling test, and the third round is a good test of agility, which one will derail and which one will stay on the tracks. We've got quite a few supporters here today. As you can see there are Silver Link's family, a family of A4s there, and Spencer also has quite a few supporters. He's got some of his friends and family from Sodor there, so there's no shortage of support. Let me know in the poll that way which one you think will win. I really don't know. My bet is going to be on Spencer today. I reckon Team Thomas is in for another win, but it's all to play for, so let's get started with the first round, which is the race. Let's get started. So as you can see, I've been very clever and I've built us a finish line because we've never had a finish line. So yes, out of the Hornby boxes, which is perfect of course with these both being Bachmann logos. Spencer there is on the inside line and Silver Link there is on the outside line. They're going to do just 1 lap to start with, which is of course a little bit unfair because Spencer's on the inside line, which is a little bit shorter. So if the first lap finishes and Spencer is in the lead, that might well be because he's on the inside line. If that's true, we'll swap lines and they will do a second lap. However, if Silver Link is winning after the first lap, that will be that, and Spencer will have to admit that he's lost this round. So, I think we're about ready. The controller is set to go. I'm going to go and hit the on button here. Cheer on your champion, and we will see who wins. Are you ready? Okay, on your marks. Get set, and go. Wow, there's a huge difference in speed there as Silver Link actually dashes way into the lead as they head up Gordon's Hill there. And yes, through Toy Town Station is Silver Link, miles in the lead. Under the bookcase he goes. Where is Spencer? Oh yes, quite a bit far behind, just going under the bookcase now. Silver Link has rounded the other side, past the Thomas and Friends supporters, past the other A4s. Spencer's only just come out the other side of the bookcase, and towards the finish line now comes Silver Link. There we go, yes, underneath the finish line first of all. Let's bring him back just so that we can see him there. Wow, well, I think the winner was clear there. Let's go and find out where Spencer was. Right, so looks like he's having a chat with his supporters there. Of course, nowhere near the finish line, which means that Silver Link here was by far the fastest. Well, that's a very distressing result for Team Thomas. We're going to have to move on now to round 2, which is the pulling power test, and Spencer is going to have to hope that he is a lot stronger than Silver Link, otherwise he's going to be in some serious doo-doo. So the famous pulling test is where both engines take it in turns to haul increasing numbers of coaches up Gordon's Hill. And this is Gordon's Hill here, and it got its name because it slopes upwards very slightly, which makes it the perfect place for a pulling test. Now, these engines are quite large Pacifics, so I'm going to be starting with 5 coaches today. Obviously, I could just start with 1 coach, but it would just be a waste of time because we know both engines would manage it. So as the loser, Spencer is going to go first, so he's going to couple up to the train of Pullman coaches, and with 5 of them coupled up, he's going to head up Gordon's Hill, and if he can pull them, no problem, then he passes on to round 2. Right, good luck then, Spencer. I'm hoping he'll manage 5 coaches. It'd be slightly embarrassing if not.
Here he comes. And so far so good, I can't see any wheel slip from him. And he's maintaining quite a good speed there up Gordon's Hill, and basically once he's got to about there, you know he's done it. So well done, Spencer, that's very good. Let's see if Silver Link can do the same.
So well done, Spencer. You can stop yourself there and have a little bit of a break, and in fact, if you're feeling tired, I'll help you off myself. There we go, so you just sit over there, Spencer, have 5 minutes, or probably less than 5, and let's pop Silver Link on then. Let's get her railed up properly, and we'll get her coupled to these coaches, and hopefully she'll manage all 5 coaches. Right, let's give this a try. She's off.
And it looks to be very much the same story. Yeah. She's even going faster than Spencer was now. So yeah, it's looking good for Silver Link too. No clear winner at the moment. So let's add another coach and see what happens then.
Right, so this will be Spencer's attempt at round 2, and for that I'm going to add an extra coach, as I say. So there we go, that's an Eleni Artique coach. Go on then, Spencer, couple up to it, and we'll see how you get on with this. That makes 6 coaches, I believe. Alright, starting to get heavy.
Here he goes now. He's groaning a little bit because of all the weight.
But to be fair to him, I didn't notice him slow down up there, so that's good news. Spencer has passed round 2. Let's see whether Silverlink can do the same.
Right, go on then, Silverlink. 6 coaches, not 7 just yet. 7 next.
There she goes. I wonder if there was a bit of a slowdown there. I certainly saw her lose a bit of speed. What do you reckon?
Well, never mind that. Even if she did slow down slightly, she still passed it. She still managed to get up the hill. So we'll take her off. Time to add yet another coach then, and now it's 7. There we are, another Eleni Artique. Let's get Spencer on then and see if he can haul them.
Here he comes now. Watch very carefully for any signs of wheel slip. Yep, there was a little but not a lot. So it looks like both engines are starting to struggle, but they're not at the point where they can't manage them yet, so it's quite exciting. Let's see how Silverlink gets on. Here we go, still at a reassuringly high speed here. Oh yeah, I think I did see her slow down, but again, not too dramatically. I'd say at this point it looks like Spencer's struggling the most, so it's getting interesting.
So we're now up to 8 coaches, there we go. Blimey, I wasn't expecting it to go this far, because these aren't very heavy engines. But we will see what happens. Go on, Spencer, do your best with it.
I think he's really sweating with this now, look at that. His wheels are spinning. But amazingly, he's just about managed it. 9th coach is probably going to finish him off. What do you reckon? It's not looking that great for Spencer, but for the time being, he's passed it. Right, let's try it with Silverlink.
Go on then, Silver, let's try you with 8 coaches. Ooh, what a start, what a slow start.
Right, she's got to slow down now. Oh yeah. She certainly has. Not as badly as Spencer did though. I think round 5 is going to prove quite tricky for Spencer.
So we're up to 9 coaches. Now something tells me that Spencer isn't going to see 10. But I'll have to wait and see. Maybe I'll be proved wrong on that. Right, Spencer, 9 coaches. Good luck. Ooh, what a rough start.
Right, watch those wheels carefully. Ooh. He's really doing his best, isn't he? Wow. It was a close shave, Spencer, but he's done it. Incredible. 9 coaches. He's done it. Right. Silverlink's turn.
Right, well I'm starting to smell burning, so I don't know whose motor it is, but either one or both of them are starting to struggle. Let's see how Silverlink does.
Right, here goes. It's harder to look at Silverlink's wheels. But actually, yeah, there's quite a bit of struggling going on there too. Oh yes. You know what? It looks as though Spencer's doing the worst, but Silverlink isn't as far behind as you might think. Let's try the next round. 10 coaches.
Right, 10 coaches. I'm absolutely amazed that Spencer has got as far as this, so whatever happens next, it was a valiant effort. I'm not saying you're doomed, Spencer, but you've got a couple. You can't just chicken out now. Right, go on then, Spencer. Best of luck to you, matey. I think you're going to need it.
There he goes. Oh, slipping like a madman. I don't believe it. He looked like he was going to die last time, but he's actually done it better this time. Look at all those coaches. Well, Spencer, you've done it. 10 coaches. Let's try it with Silverlink.
Silverlink, 10 coaches. Here we go.
I think she's definitely getting close to the tipping point now. Look at that slow down. Yeah, she's struggling, but still doing well. It's not looking pretty for Spencer now. Will he manage an 11th? I don't know. Who knows? One way to find out, though.
Here we go then. This is coach number 11. I am astonished that he's still here, actually, old Spencer. Right, go on then, Spencer. Let's see your couple. Ooh, look at that. A real smack that was. Alright, good luck then, Spencer. Let's try this.
Right, let's look at those wheels. Is this going to be the end? Oh, it nearly is. Oh, I can't believe it. That is incredibly good. Well done, Spencer. I'm genuinely surprised at that, and I thought you'd seen his last. Wow. He's putting up a hell of a fight.
Right, Silverlink, off you go. Good luck. Yes, she's going noticeably more slowly now. Noticeably so. Ooh, she's slowed right down. Look at that. Wheels are slipping. Wow. That was quite scary. It's obviously putting the motor under quite a bit of stress, is that? Not too keen on doing that. And she's slowed down again. But only just, it looks like. But nevertheless, she has managed it. Or has she? Let's wait and see. Coaches have got to clear the hill, but yep, they're speeding up again now. Right, interesting. Right, well, I'd never dreamed that the Bachmann Spencer would ever manage anywhere near 12 coaches, and yet here he goes attempting it. So, there we are, that's the coupling. Let's give him a try. Alright, here he goes again, making another valiant effort. Oh man, that wheel slip is crazy. I can't believe this. He's still going. The coaches are creeping by. Really creeping by, I mean. Oh. But amazingly, they have managed to restore a little bit of momentum there. He's got no helper. Wow. Well, that's super interesting. It's looking like Spencer's motor has got a lot more torque in it than Silverlink's has, because Spencer's hardly slowing down at all. Right, go on then, Silverlink. Let's try it. It really is a struggle. Here she comes, Silverlink. For what might be the last time. Let's see how she gets on. Looks like she's going to grind to a halt. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Has she pulled it off? She seems to be gathering speed, but no, she's stopped. She's stopped. Well, there you have it. It's all over for Silverlink. She has finally stopped. Let me go and cut the power. So that was absolutely fascinating. It means both engines have now got 1 point. Silverlink was the fastest, but Spencer was the strongest, which means that it all comes down to this final round, which is the agility test. So for the agility test, both engines will have to run at full speed through these really old crusty points, which are known to cause derailments. If they do that okay, they'll head through to the sidings, past Silverlink's family there, then past Spencer's family, out through yet more points and back onto the main line. If they can do that without derailing, they'll have passed the test. Well, Silverlink failed last time, so he's going to go first. Let's see if he can make it. Okay, Silverlink, are you ready then? Now, we know that Silverlink is faster than Spencer, so that might well be his undoing during this round. Okay, ready? On your marks, get set, go. Alright, approaching the first set of points then. Here she comes now, over them. Whoa, not good, an immediate derailment. Right, Spencer's going to have to try that. If he can get beyond that set of points, he's won. Right, Spencer's turn then. Tensions are quite high, I would say, because really it's all coming down to this very last test and whether Spencer can do it. So let's make sure he's on the track properly. Yeah, he seems to be. Alright, Spencer, good luck. Here we go. Off he goes. Definitely slower than Silverlink at that speed. Let's see how he gets on across those points. Here he comes up to them now. And amazingly, he has done it. And off he goes around the course. Let's see if he can finish it just out of interest. There he goes, past Silverlink's family, past his own family there, through yet another set of points. Ooh, I did hear a bang there. But he has managed it, which means that Spencer has finally managed to beat Silverlink on the very final hurdle. Well, I am absolutely astounded by the result there. It started so badly for Spencer, and yet as the course of the competition has gone on, he's really pulled back and he's managed to get himself a fair and square win, and he's beaten old Silverlink hands down, really. So, what do you reckon, Spencer? Are you pleased with that? Spencer? I think he's in a stunned silence there. Yep, lost for words. Anyway, folks, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. That has to be one of the most tense competitions I've done here. It's going to be up to you which engines I race next time, so I'll include a poll right now so that you can vote on which two engines should compete next time, and we'll give that a try. But for now, folks, thank you very much for joining. Once again, well done to you, Spencer, and everybody, I will see you all very, very soon. Cheers, everybody.